Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Jupiter Wallet, which is a top-tier solution for token swaps and liquidity aggregation on the Solana blockchain. So if you are considering using Jupiter Wallet in 2025, this video will help you to understand its features, its benefits, and any potential drawbacks. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So the Jupiter Wallet is a part of the Jupiter aggregator platform that is designed to provide the best token swap rates on Solana. It connects users to the multiple liquidity pools, ensuring efficient swaps with minimal slippage. So whether you are a trader or an investor, the Jupiter Wallet simplifies the process of the token management on Solana. If I talk about its key features, so the Jupiter Wallet aggregates liquidity from the multiple sources to ensure you get the most competitive rates. It connects seamlessly with major Solana protocols, making swaps faster and easier. The platform optimizes transactions in order to reduce the slippage and providing more accurate swaps. Even for the beginners, Jupiter Wallet offers a simple and intuitive design. So with access to the numerous liquidity pools, the wallet supports a vast range of tokens within the Solana ecosystem. Now, getting started and setting up your Jupiter Wallet is also quite easy and straightforward. You just have to visit to the official website of Jupiter, which is jup.ag, and there you need to connect your Solana compatible wallet like Phantom Wallet or Solflare Wallet. If you want to access it in your mobile device like I'm using, so you need to simply open your Phantom Wallet and your Solflare Wallet, and you need to just go to the browser tab and you need to tap on the Jupiter Wallet there. After that, you need to select the tokens that you want to swap by tapping on this home page where you will see the swap option. Here you will see all the swap details including the rates, fees, and before confirming the transaction, so you just have to simply tap on the swap option in order to enjoy the fast and the efficient token management. Now if I talk about the pros and cons of Jupiter Wallet, so in Jupiter Wallet you get the aggregates liquidity for the best swap rates. It utilizes Solana infrastructure for fast and affordable transactions. It supports a wide variety of tokens, offering versatility. The interface of it is also very beginner friendly. It offers the swap insights for the experienced users who want more control. If I talk about the cons, any issues with the Solana blockchain could impact its performance as well. And it focuses on the swaps and does not include the broader wallet features like staking. The advanced features may be confusing for beginners without the guidance. So I will also create a dedicated tutorial on Jupiter Wallet. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So in a nutshell, if I talk about my final thoughts, so the Jupiter Wallet is a reliable and efficient tool for anyone who is looking to manage the token swaps on Solana in 2025. It combines simplicity with the powerful aggregation feature to provide the best rates and minimal slippage. While it may not serve as a standalone wallet, it's an excellent addition to your DeFi toolkit. So if this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.